Well, it's almost leaf picking up time again this time of year. And I tell you, I found a way to make it easier to get these bags out of these cans. Well, I've loaded this one up. And of course, the worst thing that everybody does, including me, is we shove those leaves in that bag down in that can as far as we can, because we try to get as many in there as we possibly can. Nothing wrong with that. Sometimes it's even a little difficult to even get them out of there. And of course, I drill holes in the bottom of mine, but I've got a couple of them that I don't. Anyway, I found a way to make it a little bit easier to get these leaf bags out of there. Doesn't have to be a 2-inch piece of PVC. It can be 1.5 inch, whatever you want to get. But we're going to cut a slot right here. Doesn't have to look that nice. It can look like anything. But what we're trying to do is trying to get air into the bottom of the can to make it easier to lift the sacks out of these trash cans. Let me get this leaf sack out of here. This part's going to go at the bottom, but it's going to face the wall. This part's going to go against the wall down at the bottom. We're going to cut this off just a hair below the rim so you can wrap your plastic bags on there. Drill some holes in here, put some plastic ties, keep this thing from turning and moving. And that's going to make it a little easier to get your bags out of there. Okay, once you get it cut, just kind of get a piece of sandpaper and roll the edge so your bags don't get hung up on there. Okay, see, we've got it wire tied to the side of the bucket. And you see, that way at least it'll stay in place. Got our wire ties over here. This is not going to interfere with anything. Alright, let's stick our bag in there and get it shoved all the way down to the bottom. Just to show you it's actually working, I'm just going to shove some leaves in there and then push this down just to show you that there is getting air in the bottom. And if there's air getting pushed out at the bottom, that means there's air coming in the bottom when you're pulling your sack out. So, what do you think about that?